Hello everyone, welcome back. So today's video topic is if the touch is not working on your Android mobile phone or your phone touch screen is not responding properly or it is not working. In this video we are going to fix this. So first open settings. So click on your Android mobile phone settings. After that update your Android mobile phone. So go to software update and try to update your phone. So this is your first method, update your Android mobile phone. Now move on to the second method you can try is force restart your phone. So to force restart your phone, what you have to do is you have to press and hold the volume down key and the power button. So you have to press both the keys together. I will show you how to do it. So press and hold this volume down key and then press the power key. So you have to press both the keys together like this. Now wait, do not release the keys. So now you can release both the keys like this. So this will force restart your phone and this will fix the touch screen issue. This is all for the video. Thank you.